In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a form name in Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator is an incredible platform for building custom applications with ease. But sometimes the basics, like adjusting a form's name, can leave us scratching our heads. Whether it's a case of an initial typo or simply wanting to make things more intuitive, changing a form's name can significantly impact how smoothly your team interacts with your app. First, you'll want to go ahead and open up Zoho Creator and head directly to the dashboard. Once there, take a quick glance. You'll notice a variety of options that might seem overwhelming at first. Things like application, microservices, environments, mobile, portal, and more. For this task, we want to focus on applications. This section houses the forms you need to adjust, acting as the central hub for all your applications. Click on it to proceed further. Now that you're viewing the list of applications, locate and select the specific application containing the form you wish to rename. Once you've found the application, click to open it. You'll now be inside the application's editor. From here, on the left panel, look for the Forms section. Lists of all forms associated with your application will unfold here. Continue by selecting the form you want to change. Once you've selected the form, you're currently in the form's Properties view. You can easily locate the properties by glancing toward the right side of your screen. You're going to see a comprehensive list of settings related to your form. This is where the magic happens. Among these settings, you'll find the option to edit your form's name. Click on the field with the current name and tap out your desired new name for the form. As you update the name, ensure it clearly relates to the content or function of the form, which will help maintain the application's usability and your team's productivity. After renaming, remember to save your changes. Saving ensures that the updated name is properly recorded within Zoho Creator, syncing it across all devices and users accessing the platform. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your form's name. This simple yet crucial step not only keeps your application well organized, but also ensures that all team members interacting with it have clarity, which boosts collaboration and reduces errors. If you're thrilled about mastering this task today, go ahead and try exploring other features that Zoho Creator offers. It's a robust tool, and just like renaming forms, there are endless ways to refine your applications, making them work seamlessly for your team. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video for more helpful tips.